Hello everyone. What if you could hack into your brain's secret code to unlock unparalleled health and happiness? Imagine transforming your mental software to supercharge your well-being and thrive like never before. Today, we'll explore the powerful connection between mind hacking and health and well-being. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the concept of mind hacking and its relevance to health and well-being. Techniques to enhance mental and physical health through mind hacking. Strategies to maintain a balanced and fulfilling life. Let's discuss some techniques to enhance mental and physical health through mind hacking. Gratitude journaling. Keeping a gratitude journal involves regularly writing down things you're thankful for, which can boost your mood and promote a positive outlook on life. Analogy: think of gratitude journaling as planting seeds of positivity in your mind. Over time, these seeds grow into a lush garden of well-being. Cognitive behavioral techniques. Cognitive behavioral techniques, CBT, involve identifying and challenging negative thought patterns and replacing them with healthier ones. Real-world story. CBT is widely used in therapy to help individuals manage conditions like depression and anxiety by changing unhelpful thought patterns. Let's now move on and discuss strategies to maintain a balanced and fulfilling life. Regular physical activity. Exercise is necessary for both mental and physical health. It releases endorphins, improves mood, manages stress, and enhances cognitive function. Example: incorporating activities like walking, running, or yoga into your daily routine can significantly boost your energy levels and overall well-being. Healthy eating habits. A balanced diet rich in nutrients supports brain function and physical health. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can enhance your mood and energy. Analogy: think of your body as a high-performance vehicle. The quality of the fuel food you provide determines how well it runs. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for mental clarity, emotional stability, physical health, and normal functioning. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to support overall well-being. Real-world story. Successful individuals like Jeff Bezos and Ariana Huffington emphasize the importance of sleep for productivity and health. Social connections. Maintaining strong social connections and spending time with loved ones can improve your mental health and provide emotional support. Example: regularly connecting with friends and family can reduce stress, increase happiness, and provide a sense of belonging. Closing thoughts. Health and well-being are interconnected, and nurturing both aspects is key to overall happiness and success. Thank you for joining us on this course, and I hope you're able to achieve great things with the strategies you've learned in this course. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend The Happiness Advantage: How a Positive Brain Fuels Success in Work and Life by Shawn Achor. This book offers insights and strategies for enhancing well-being through positive psychology.